Hello and welcome to Foxtecc. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to disable push notifications on your iPhone. Notifications are generally quite helpful, but they can sometimes be annoying or intrusive, especially at certain times. So let's dive in and explore how you can manage and disable these notifications according to your preferences. First, let's clarify what push notifications are. Push notifications are alerts sent by apps to your iPhone. They can appear as banners, alerts, or badges, and can include sounds and vibrations. These notifications inform you about new messages, updates, or reminders. To start disabling push notifications, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down until you find the Notifications section, indicated by a bell icon on a red background. Tap on it to enter the notification settings. Now you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your iPhone. Select any app for which you want to manage or disable notifications. For example, let's choose the Messages app. Here, you'll see all the notification options for this app. The first option you'll see is Allow Notifications. This is turned on by default. If you disable it, you won't receive any notifications at all from that specific app. However, if you don't want to disable all notifications, you can choose to disable only the time-sensitive and critical alerts. These types of notifications will play sounds even if you have focus mode enabled. Below these options, you can manage how you receive notifications. You can choose to display them on the lock screen in the notification center or as banners. Simply adjust these options according to your preferences by checking or unchecking the respective boxes. Another useful option is Show Previews. This setting helps maintain your privacy when notifications appear on the screen. You can set it to always when unlocked or never, depending on how private you want your notifications to be. If you use different messaging apps like WhatsApp, the process is the same. Instead of going to the Messages section, look for WhatsApp in the notification settings and customize it the same way. The settings work similarly for every app, with only minor differences. Additionally, you can use Focus Mode to manage notifications more selectively. Focus Mode allows you to block notifications from specific people or apps. To set this up, go to the Focus section in the Settings app. You can create a custom focus mode or use existing ones like Do Not Disturb to filter out notifications according to your needs. So to recap, open the Settings app, go to Notifications, select the app you want to manage, and adjust the settings according to your preferences. You can disable all notifications or just time-sensitive and critical alerts and customize how and where notifications appear. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Foxtecc for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, peace.